Good afternoon, good morning. I am Jean-Eddy Saint-Paul, a professor of sociology at Brooklyn College, where I am also the founding director of the City University of New York Haitian Studies Institute. I am making this video to cordially invite you to join us in a panel discussion this Friday, May 15, 2020 from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. And the topic of the discussion that will happen on Zoom and Facebook is COVID-19 and the health of the Haitian community. In that debate, we are specifically interested in answering those questions. How has COVID-19 impacted the Haitian community living in the state of New York, and more specifically in the city of New York? What has been the general health condition of the Haitian population or Haitian community before COVID-19 and during COVID-19? What has been the impact or connection between COVID-19 and the mental health of the Haitian community in New York City? So what are the possible connections between unemployment, stress, depression, and the mental health of the Haitian community? To answer this interesting question, I have selected for you a fine guest speaker such as Dr. Florence Saint-Jean, who graduated with a postdoc from Harvard University. She is the executive director of Global Trauma Research and currently an assistant professor at New York University. Then we have Dr. Girardin Jean-Louis or Jean-Louis, who is a fine scholar on the connection between health and sleeplessness. We also have Dr. Christina Pardo, who is currently an assistant professor at SUNY Downstate. The registered nurse Carlene Bart, who is the head nurse at Coney Island Hospital here in Brooklyn, New York City. And respiratory therapist Fontaine Joseph, who also works at Coney Island Hospital. To participate in that Zoom and Facebook meeting panel discussion, feel free to use the Zoom meeting ID 944-0540-0134, and the password is 493786. Thank you very much, and looking forward to seeing you this Friday, May 15 from at 5 p.m. Thank you so much.